loaded. Not gonna lie. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm hella exhausted. As you can see, in a different spot. I had a lot going on in the past week, but we're here now, and I'm exhausted. Still not done packing. Still a few things that I gotta unpack. Like I got 2 boxes, and then it's my luggage, and I gotta just do a little bit of laundry for the week. But I'm gonna break it down because I'm not working this Monday to Friday, so that should be good. Means we have more time to be on the charts and just master our edge and everything. But yeah. Damn, these guys are really going on, bro. I think I'm gonna mute this. I can't find the TV remote. It was here somewhere. I don't know. I'll find it. I don't know where it is. Because these guys are gonna keep sending messages on and on and on and on and on. But anyway. Yeah, man. It is officially the 28th of June. About to close the month off. And yeah, bro, it's been it was a rocky start. I won't lie. But so far so good, man. Like it took off once I figured out my entry model and my like how to read the markets. Based on that other video I made where I think I was saying ICC is cool now, but I think it just doesn't work for me, and it hasn't been working for me, because even if I was applying it like accordingly, I was still like losing, and it's like, nah, bro, like I can't be out here not like at least winning, bro. Like I kept blowing accounts, and it's like, as much as I'm the problem, cool, but I just figured the system that I was using wasn't fit for me. So making that whole transition this month has really shown me that, whoa, okay, this makes sense as well, and it was easier to grasp and easier to execute, which is also like kind of crazy. ICC was cool. It is easy for certain people, I guess, but then it's like it just didn't work for me, bro. Like I got one payout, but then months after that, bro, and I'm like applying it in a way. Yes, I was making mistakes, but why was it so hard for my brain to get used to that? And even when I would do it, I would still get stopped out, and then it's like, why though? But anyway, so transitioning to this really helped me. Also a little bit with my conviction and getting more confident, because now I could look for where the market wants to go for the day and where is the next strong liquidity, and then take it from there. And it's crazy because, like I'm saying, I only went to ICC because of the money he was making, which is crazy numbers. So I thought, nah, if this system is making him 90% of the time, and he's making that much money, then I should probably be trading that, which is a wrong way to go about it in hindsight, because it makes more money doesn't mean it's the right one for me. I mean, I guess it was all just down to a numbers game, like how much you're risking. So I can just risk the same and trade this way, which is basically ICT, but it just makes more sense. It just makes way more sense, because I'm seeing more progress every day, and I'm seeing my buys pay out day by day. Because I always wanted, like, bro, I'm waiting for the indication and I'm waiting for continuation. Market is moving. I'm just leaving money on the table. No offense, like, not in a bad way that I'm chasing money, but I mean, we're all doing this for the money at the end of the day. But it's like, how can I catch these moves? Because the market is moving. Like, there's money being made. So me waiting 3 days, 4 days on end for a setup, and then it, like, you know, it just never really clicked for me and my type of personality. So So far the month is ending up strong where I'm like 842 up on this account, and I'm the closest I've been to passing this account than I have been in the last couple of months. I'm not gonna lie. Because it's like, bro, I've been doing this, bro. Been doing this. And I'm close, like, I probably could pass this account this week if the setups are there. Could pass this account, bro, and just, like, you know, get funded. Like, I'm so close, bro. So close. And it's just glory to God, man. I give it all to God. Like, He's the reason why I'm here in the first place. And I'm doing this, and it's like, yo, I couldn't detail the trades that I took, but I'll break it down now. I'm so sorry. Like, I still have a lot to cover, bro. So there was 2 trades where I took a loss on. And also, my laptop has been bugging, bro. So I couldn't even record any videos for you. But we're here now. So I'm gonna open up the charts and then just go over the setups that I took this week. But also another thing, I realized I'm also the problem in terms of like, because I took losses, unnecessary losses, because I'm trying to trade 2 pairs, like, oh, this one looks good, this one looks cool, let me take this one. But it's like, I should just focus on 1 pair, bro. And I should have stuck with this pair since last year, because I've been trading it for the longest. And German just moves proper, bro. Like, it moves beautifully. I mean, yeah, there'll be days where it consolidates, but ultimately, bro, it moves beautifully, man. I'm not gonna lie. So, I'm back on that pair. I know I've been wishy-washy over the past year now. With trading this pair, trading gold, and I was trading nasdaq, trading GER30, and I was trading German, and I found UK, and I'm back to gold, and I stuck on gold in UK and German, and then it's just been like everything. Then I tried Japan's index, and then I tried Bitcoin for a bit, and then I tried what was the other pair? Started looking at Euro, but then it's like, then I went back to UK, stuck with UK and German and gold. Then I dropped German. Then I went back, and I stuck with gold. And I left gold. And it's like, bro, I'm just like up and down. But I think I'm at a point where now I've got my trading plan down. I've got the pair that I want to trade down. The others I look at just to like back test, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna break down the ones that I took last week. I think I traded every day, Monday to Friday. I think I lost 2 trades. Like, I took 2 L's on the day. The other day I took 2 positions that I lost, and then I made it back, and I was back at break even, or where I was basically before I took those 2 losses. And then yeah, I think I was just trying to buy it at a weird place. So yeah, I was trying to buy it at a weird place. Then the setup played out, because I knew the next draw was the fair value gap, the 1 hour anti fair value gap above us, so above, you know, yeah, the bearish one. So, and then the setup played out, and then I missed it. I was like, damn, okay, cool, it's fine. And then the sell I took on Friday played out. So I was in it from like 9 a.m. like 20 past 9, I think. I remember, because I left at that time. And then like around 3 p.m. full TP got hit, which is crazy. But yeah, you just gotta keep following the system. Wait for these draws on liquidity to play out. And then yeah, just take it for what it is. But yeah, let's break down this trade, man. Okay, so we're here on trading view, and yeah, I'm just gonna break it down for you. So this was the Thursday, right? The 5 minute and 1 hour really worked well for me, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry for my charts looking like this. It was just a whole lot of mumbo jumbo. It was a Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was Wednesday. Wednesday I took that out. I can already see this thing flickering right now. I don't know what's up with this Mac, but I'm probably gonna have to buy a new one. I'll fix the screen. So yeah, so price. I want to do thingies one first. I don't think I took a trade on Thursday. Yeah, I don't think I took one. I probably did, but then yeah, I think I did, and then I took an L. Yeah. Because I remember I sold from here. Weird place, right? I know. And then it just bought up crazy. Yeah, I remember. So this setup, I saw that there was this bearish Fabrica that wasn't tapped into. So I was trying to buy from here, somewhere here, and I got stopped up. Oh yes, I bought it from here. My stop loss here. Then price pushed up, was in profits for a bit, and then wasn't ready to make that move, and it dropped, and then ultimately went that way. You see. So yeah, I think the 1 hour really works well, but I mean, like with the high time frame fair value gap, but I could have taken. I saw this in hindsight. I could have taken this sell off from here, and then targeted this low maybe. The reward, because it tapped into that, and then gave me the reaction that I needed it to give me. With my stops above there, would have been a 1-to-1, but 1-to-2 actually. Yeah. And that would have been my trade for that day, and I would have been calm. Then price rallied up. I tried selling it. How is this thing already dying, bro? Just hold on. I gotta go get the charger. Okay, I'm back. I need to unplug something. I don't know what I want. This one. Oh wow, we can see it. Man, it's World Cup. I don't know. Here we go. Anyway, as I was saying. So here, I waited for price to. I should have left this alone because I already tapped into it. Then session came. Price just started rallying to the top. Just started buying. So I waited for it inverse. And stopped me out, but I forgot that there was this untapped fair value gap here. I mean, it tapped into here, gave us a reaction. I could have sold from here to target these lows, but the risk to reward was gonna be off. I'm not gonna lie. It would have been a 1-on-1, but I would have won that trade. But nah. At least like one or two. Like a 1-on-1 is okay, but yeah. And then price ultimately pushed above that, and then gave me that reaction that I needed. Inverse this gap, Could have taken this one here. I didn't take this because I wasn't on the charts at the time. Then target the lows, right? I could have targeted essentially this. Would have been a 1 to 3. Would have been an amazing trade. Not gonna lie. Oh, I could have just held it to hit these lows. But yeah, either way, I was gonna be asleep at this time because price did push down, and then around 5 a.m. I would probably been awake, check the trade, and then see that it hit 2 full TP. But yeah, so far this model does work for me. I forgot about this really good. I did mark it up before, then I left it out. I took it out for some reason. I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, then came Friday. So price was pushing up, trading into this bearish fair value gap here. Then it gave me that direction that I wanted. Okay, boom. I saw price break this structure here, inverse this gap, and then I entered with this candle. And then I saw it retrace. I'm like, okay, I might get stopped out. But I'm like, okay, well, it could be respecting this. Oh, I entered off of this candle, sorry, I'm lying. Entered off of this retracement. Yeah, I waited for a retracement into this 5-minute bearish value gap. But then I saw it pushed up a bit. Oh, okay, now that's cool. My stop loss is here. Then I could have entered here again. Or entered when it pushed out. But it pushed up with this candle. But would have messed up with my RR, but it's fine. And then I targeted the lows that it made on that 1 hour here. And then boom, hit 2 TP, bro. This one made me the most. It made me back the losses I made here of these trades, and then some. So I was like, that is cool. I like that. I like how I'm able to read, get the reactions. I'm so tired. Get the reactions that I need, and then boom, I'm in. So going into this week or the next week, and see, you can see I've been back testing this, bro. I've been putting in my hours. Oh, okay. So right now, what I am looking at, right? Let's see what price is giving us. Is there any gap that we have not mitigated? I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. The gap has been filled. The gap has been filled too, so I'm going to delete that, clear my charts. I can mark my swings. And I can mark my swings. And then, okay, so we do have this untapped already up here. Okay, cool. So we could look for plays into it on Monday. Price could trace into it, mitigate this, and then give us that push down. We do have this gap too, but it looks like it's been already tapped into, so I'm not going to consider that one. So I'm going to consider this one, right? Let's say high time frame for the gap. This one already has been mitigated, but I think I'll keep it just in case. I do not see any other gaps. Yeah, I don't see any other gaps, I'm not gonna lie. This one was also mitigated, so yeah, I think I also want the ones that are not, that haven't been tapped into. So this one got inversed a bit, but then it inversed because I wanted to trace into this one. So yeah, I'm not gonna complicate it. I'm gonna mark my swings also, where I do see selling pressure coming from the markets. And then I got this also. Sellers, yeah. And then I always target the wicks, but I don't mark them up in the wicks. But yeah. So yeah, you could look for retracement into here. Boom, get the reaction that we need. If it hits this, it wants to reverse, or even hits this, to be honest. And then once we get the inverse, get the direction that we need, then we in, baby. We're gonna target these lows again. But we'll see what the market gives us. I think it works best once it hits fair value gaps, unmitigated ones. Whereas, as opposed to it just breaking like a high or low, like it did here, it just broke it. Oh man, it just indicated here, and then I would have been fucked if I sold, but then I wouldn't have sold during the session. I mean, I would have bought because okay, it is above that level, and then get rocked. So yeah. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is, yeah, we'd rather wait for the gaps to get filled. Because see, it tapped into this gap and then got that pushed. So yeah, this one didn't push into any gap, but made equal highs, and then that would have been it. So yeah, really nothing much to it. Pretty simple. Yeah, we'll just see what the market gives us, but we'll just react rather than predict where it wants to go. We just see, okay, it's here. Oh, it's doing this. Okay, it's aligned with my entry model. I'm gonna take it and then see where it goes. But yeah, I hope I can just be a little bit more patient, wait for more conviction, you know, and then yeah, that's it for me, guys. I'm up 842 for the month. June is looking good. 2 more trades on a process account, or even one. This trade is going to make me like $500. Whereas I could just take one more like that, and then I just need to make 400, and I'm cool. But yeah, nothing else. I will be posting more. Yeah, we're in a new spot now, so the setup is gonna look different. We gotta move up. We gotta elevate. I'm sorry, the energy's out of me. Like I'm exhausted. I can feel it now. Like I'm tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I got a video ready for you guys. And then yeah, let me go and chill, and then probably gonna sleep. But I gotta upload this video. So yeah.